Not every drone needs freedom, some drones need persistence. Hi, I am Dr. Qamar Islam. One of the most underrated UAV topics is the tethered drone. Most people think the future means flying further, but in many missions, the real value is staying in one place for a long time. For example, event security, temporary communications, site monitoring, emergency overwatch, traffic observation, parameter awareness. That is where tethered drones shine. Instead of treating the tether as a limitation, think of it as a trait. Less range but more endurance, more power stability, and often more reliable, persistent presence. This changes the mission model, not scout and return, but lift and stay. My 2026 view, some of the most useful drones in real operations will not be the most free. They will be the ones that can remain present for hours and act like temporary airborne infrastructure. Thank you.